This is Deepthi here. I'm a freelance makeup artist. I also run a makeup studio and an academy. And today I'll be showing you a tutorial about how to apply foundation. It's so important for all of us to have a even skin tone, but not all of us are blessed with it. So foundation application becomes very important, even on a daily basis for some, and depends on your skin type, whether you have an oily skin. Choose a foundation which is right for you. That's very important. My skin, personally, if I have to talk about me, my skin is quite oily. So I have to choose a foundation which is not oil based but more water based, so that it absorbs all the oil from the skin. And even before application of foundation, it's very important to clean your hands. So it always helps to clean your hands and sanitize it before applying it with your fingertips. And there are many ways of applying foundation. You can either use your fingertips. I personally like using my fingertips because of the warmth that it has, and it glides the foundation very smoothly onto the skin. Or you can even use a brush or a sponge. But when you're using a sponge, just make sure that the sponge is clean and it is cleaned after every use. And so coming to foundation, even before putting on your foundation, start with a clean skin. Important to prep your skin. Use a primer. Primer basically helps the foundation to stay for a very long time, and it also helps the foundation to glide on smoothly onto the skin. And the primer that I'm using today is MAC Prep and Prime. This can be used for all skin types. So I'm just taking one pump of this, not much, and just applying it onto my face. Once I'm done with the primer, I take a foundation. Choose the foundation that is right for your skin color. You cannot make your skin fair or dark by changing the color of the foundation. You always have to use the color that matches your skin tone. And the best way to check the color of the foundation is here, just below the chin and the neck. This is the area, and see if it blends well, because all of us have a different skin color, on the face, and the neck color is different. So try and match as much possible. And the foundation that I am using today is the Yves Saint Laurent Trient Resist. This is a long wear foundation. This has been my go-to since a very long time, and it helps the makeup stay on for a very long time. And you need not put too much of it. You just take like 2 pumps and start applying. Start from the center of the face. I'll always start from the center of the face and thin out as you go towards the sides. Always start off applying small amount of the product. You can always build it on if you want to. But if you put too much, it's very difficult to take off later on. So always start layer by layer. And make sure you also go down the neck so that there is no stark difference between your neck and your face. And this foundation that I'm using is a medium to full coverage foundation. I still need to use a concealer just to cover up my marks if there is any left after my foundation, and my under eyes, brighten my under eyes. Once you're done with this, just check whether the color is matching. You don't have to apply too much again. and you can take a little on your ears so that everything matches and there is no difference in color. And next I'll be using this brush, and this is again my go-to tool. This is the buffing brush, and this basically helps in taking off the excess foundation and gives a very natural look. So all that I'm doing is going in circular motions all around my face so that any product, excess product is taken off and I don't have that cakey look. Next, coming to the concealer. It's important to use a concealer to brighten your under eyes, and especially for those who have dark circles. One tip I would like to give here is use a peach color concealer, which suits most skin types, especially if you have a darker circle or a blue tinge under your eyes. What the peach does is it actually cancels out the bluish tinge and it neutralizes your under eye area. So I'll be using a light peach concealer. Since I don't have too much of dark circles, I'm just using very little of the product. This peach color concealer acts as a corrector, and over it I'm going with my skin color concealer, which gives a more natural look. And you can also use a little bit of concealer around the corners of your mouth, very little, and around your nose, and make sure everything is blended well and there is no streaks or foundation, cakey foundation look on your face. It's important to blend everything well. And if you find there are any acne marks or blemishes, you can still apply some on your area. Pinpoint concealing, this is called. And you can either use your fingertips or the brush and just go over the area and tap with your finger. You don't have to rub the concealer off, but you just have to tap it and blend it well. So there it is. I'm done with my foundation. It's important to always seal your foundation with a translucent powder, or you can either use a compact powder or a translucent powder, whatever you think is best for you. The powder actually absorbs the excess oil. Since I have an oily skin, I definitely need to use powder after my foundation. Either you can use powder with a brush, or you can use a sponge to apply. There you go. This is your foundation routine that you can follow on an everyday basis. Thank you so much for watching this video.